Hello students, today you are studying the chapter Surface Area and Volume of NCERT. In this you are going to study the surface area of a right circular cone. What is the right circular cone? Right circular cone is a very important figure you know and you are using in daily life for eating ice cream, that you know very well. Right circular means it is not tilt, exactly like this. And when the shadow will be form of the cylinder like this, anything, when the shadow will be formed, shadow of this is a rectangle, so shadow of the cone is a your what, triangle. Like this you are getting a cone. Here it is a cone, it is a top and there is a both the side. So cone is formed by a sector. When there is a sector, if there is a one sector, so this sector will be formed into the cone. When you fold it like this, then you will get a cone of this. In this it is a length of arc, that you know length of arc makes the circumference. C is equal to L, that is 2 pi r, and you can get the radius of this cone base. It is an inverted cone. Cone is actually one base. Like this, cone has a one base whose radius is r, and cone has a vertical height. Exact height is h, and cone has a one more height which is called the slant height. It is a length of arc. This L is not this. It is your slant height. So here arc is folded like this. You are getting a cone. Cone is formed by a very simple formula, simple figure. When you will get a cone that is like this. There is a cone. You are getting like this. It is a cone. Cone of radius. Cone of radius. This is slant height. Radius is here one base. So I am taking a single paper and card and folding like this. Samosas you are making. So samosa is a in the samosa semicircular sheet, and from here it is folded. From the middle it fold and it form a like this. It is form a cone. Cone as a birthday cap, as well as it is used in the different forms. Ice cream cone also you are putting a hemisphere on it, and then ice cream distributed. So cone has these things: height, slant height. One is the vertical height, one is slant height, and another is the radius of the base. Radius of the base. So it has a surface area. Surface area is two types. One is the curved surface area, and one is a total surface area you will get, because it has a base, and base area and the slant height is there. That's why curved surface area is not like a cylinder, but slant height, because right triangle by Pythagoras, L will be under root h square plus r square. It is the slant height, and by slant height you will get the CSA of this will be pi rl. Pi rl is the CSA, and the TSA will be CSA plus base, only one base. So pi rl plus pi r square gives you pi rl plus r. It is your total surface area of the cone. By this formula you will apply and use the many different questions given in your book, which is very important. And cone is used in the daily life, different forms. Generally in the every birthday, every students are using cone in like a birthday cap, as well as you are eating the softie and the ice creams, you are using the cone. So here one activities are given. How will you find out what is the surface area? Curved surface area, half of the base into it like this. Some formulas and other thing is given. So example is given: find the curved surface area of a right circular cone. Example number 4. CSA you want to find out. When the slant height is 10, CSA you want to find out, L is equal to 10, and base radius is 7. Base radius is 7, all in centimeters. So CSA is equal to pi RL, 22 by 7 into 10 into 7. 220 centimeter square. Example number 5 is given. The height of a cone is 16 centimeter. Height of a cone is 16 centimeter, and its base radius is given 12 centimeter. Find the curved surface area. You want to find out CSA, and the total surface area also you want to find out, and use the pi is equal to 3.14. So curved surface area is very important. L you find out, h square plus r square. What will you get? 16 square plus 12 square. That will be 400. In this you will get 400, and 400 will give you the 20. Slant height. So CSA you will calculate pi RL. TSA you will calculate pi R L plus R. What is the L? L is your slant height 20, R is there, and then you will get the value. CSA you are calculating, so no need to write this direct formula. You can use CSA plus area of base. Example number 6. Example number 6 is given on the very simple, do you know the Bhuttas, Makkah, and then it is a shape of this is a cone. Shape of this is a cone. Actually, it is like a leaf, and this part is this. So here is the grains given. Grains, Bhutta, everyone knows. But it is a circle. But suppose you take as a, it is a base. Base is covered. Other is a slant. Curved surface area is covered by the grains. It is given like this or figure. Curved surface area is covered by the grain, and each 1 centimeter square surface of a cup of curries, an average of 4 grains. 1 centimeter square is equal to 4 grains. You want to find out if it is given the radius of the broadest end is 2.1. Radius of the broadest end means this is the, here you will get as a radius. Radius is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Radius is given, and the length is 20 centimeter. Length means height is equal to 20 centimeter. That you will get, it is given, and by this you will calculate the slant height. What will you calculate? Slant height under root h square plus r square, 20 square plus 1.1 square. You will get 404.44. 404.41 centimeter square. That will be giving you approximately 20.11 centimeter. It is the slant height. When you getting the slant height, you get the CSA. What will you get? CSA of this is pi RL. Put the values or you will get your answer. And what answer you are getting, that will you get in the centimeter square. Then number of grains is equal to, what is your answer coming, multiply by 4. What is your answer coming? You will multiply by 4, and number of grains means this area, multiply by 4, you will get your answer. If decimal, then you can convert. Very simple question is given, and I hope you can do it. It is a solved example. So simply you will take it as a base, and that you know as a bhutta, everyone knows. Makke ki bal sab log khate hain. Then now you see the exercise. What is the exercise given? Exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1. The diameter of a base of cone is 10.5. Diameter is given 10.5, and the height, slant height is given 10 centimeter. Find the CSA. Pi RL, that is 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10, because radius is 10.5 by 2. Question number 2. Simply find the curved surface area. Find the total surface area. You want to find out TSA in this case, pi R L plus R. What is given in this question? If length height is L is given 21 centimeter, 21 meter, and diameter of its base is given 24 meter. Length height is given and diameter is given. Total height, so radius is equal to 24 by 2, 12 meter. So here you will put the values. Radius 12 meter, pi r L by 2. What is the r? 12, and what is the L? 21 plus 12. That you find out, you will get the centimeter square. Question number 3. All the values are given here. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square. Curved surface area of the cone. CSA of the cone is given how much? 308 meter square. It is given centimeter square. Then, and its length height is 12 centimeters. Length height is given 12 centimeter. Length height is given. Length height is 14 centimeter, not 12. 14 centimeter. Length height is given 14. So find its radius. First part, you want to find out radius. Second part, you want to find out TSA. Two things. First part, pi RL is equal to 308. What is the pi? Pi is given 22 by 7. R is given, not given. L is given 14, 308. 7 to the 14. So R is equal to 308 by 22 into 2. 22 7 ja. 7 centimeter you are getting the radius. So second part is total surface area of the cone. TSA you want to find out. TSA is equal to CSA plus pi r square. What is the CSA given? 308 plus 22 by 7 into 7 square. By this you will get 7 and 7 cancel. 308 plus 7 to the 14, 7 to the 1 and 14 and 1 for 15. 462 centimeter square is the area. 462. Question number 3 you are getting 462 centimeter square. Very simple question and very easy you are going. 462 centimeter square in the 308 total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone you are getting 7 and 3. What is the another question? It is given second part. Like this the question number 4 and others I will tell you in the next lecture. Thank you.